Hello everyone, this is Reena and welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. This winter, make a perfect sweet carrot pudding or carrot halwa in Instant Pot. It is quick and easy sweet dish that you can serve at any time. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel and do hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe video. Start with peeling off the outer skin of carrots. In this recipe, I'm going to use a pound of carrots. Leave the stem of the carrots for now, and I'll tell you why in few seconds. After you peel out all the outer skin, grate the carrots. And this is when carrot stem will help you hold the carrots while grating. You can surely use the food processor instead of grating carrots. If you have baby carrots handy, that would work as well. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome! Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any new videos I post every week. And don't forget to hit that like button. Alright, a pound of carrots grated is ready. Have an Instant Pot ready on saute mode. Add 1/4 cup of clarified butter or ghee. Let the ghee heat up for a few seconds and then add grated carrots. Stir using a spatula so the grated carrots are coated with ghee and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Be sure to keep stirring so nothing sticks at the bottom of the pot. Usually the process of cooking takes about an hour on stovetop, but Instant Pot makes it easy. You can also use a regular pressure cooker if you would like. After 2 minutes, add 1 cup of whole milk. Mix it and close the Instant Pot. Make sure to close the air vent as well. Turn off the saute mode. Put the Instant Pot on manual mode for 5 minutes. Let the Instant Pot release the pressure naturally. It will take about 10 to 12 minutes for natural pressure release. Then open the lid. Give it a stir. Now put the Instant Pot on saute mode and let the milk evaporate. Also add few broken cashews and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Most of the Indian sweet dish would have cardamom added to it. You can totally skip adding cardamom if you're not a big fan of it. Mix it and cook till the milk is almost evaporated. Then add half cup of sugar or adjust the sugar level as per your preference. Some people do like little less sweet, so you can start with adding 1/4 cup of sugar and adjust the sugar level accordingly. But in total, I added half cup of sugar. Be sure to keep stirring so it doesn't stick at the bottom of the pot. As you can see that the sugar is completely dissolved and carrot halwa has started to thicken. This is the perfect consistency of thickness of carrot halwa. It will get thicker as it cools down. So turn off the saute mode at this point. Cooking on saute mode will take an additional 13 to 15 minutes. Our carrot halwa is ready. As you saw in this video, it is quick and easy sweet dish that you can prepare and serve at any time. Garnish with some broken cashews and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe video and do give it a try. You can follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram. Please subscribe for new videos and do hit that like button down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.